So we talked about the first use case, and that was the very first one that Valiant TMS came to us about. But what about now? What are they using it for now? And here's some further use cases which we've developed alongside Valiant TMS, which are just proving some efficiency gains. So number one we can see here is a new layout review. So this is being able to quickly throw up a customer's layout that they've been designing, or maybe they've even got to interpret the customer's layout here and they want to integrate some of their own machines in it and just validate that around their own premises. Moving into maintenance accessibility reviews. So here we can have maintenance engineers with the visualization capability to have the machine centrally snapped into a spot, perform checks, safety aspects, cleaning procedures, whatever they need to do to get around that machine. Moving into collaborative design review, great video here. We can see multiple engineers discussing the design decisions of that data. Any conversations they need to have can be captured, reducing travel time, travel costs, being able to jump in an XR environment and review that data at scale.